Hello everybody, this is Thomas Carey from Minuteman Watch Co. Today I want to show you one of our Minuteman MM04 wristwatches with the polished stainless steel case. The case is quite shiny because of the polish finish. It's great for dress type situations or just everyday wear, but if you're looking for something that's more appropriate for a suit and tie type job, this is a great one to go with because of the polished stainless finish. The inside of our crystals are anti-reflective coated with a clear type of anti-reflective coating. So it might not be as obvious as a watch crystal typically would be with anti-reflective coating, but we have it and it's coated on the inside only. Our crystals are sapphire. The watch is 43 millimeter in width without the crown. We have a screw down type crown, which gives us increased water resistance, and because of this we are able to get a 200 meter water resistance. Now, despite this, we actually test to 250 meters of water resistance when we test these. In fact, sometimes we actually will test up to 300 meters of water resistance. If we're building small batches and we have the extra time, we'll go a little bit more on our water resistance test, which is really overkill because this is not a dive watch, but we're testing to actually more than ISO standards for a dive watch when we test a 200 meter watch at 300 meters. Here again we have our high quality American made leather watch strap, which is supplied by the fine folks at Hadley Roma in Florida. Our movements are Swiss made at a 955.112 movements. Now, these movements are very high quality and they're quite expensive. A lot of people think that they're not worth the extra expense. Well, here's our take on it. It's the best quality quartz movement that we have access to. We feel by going with this, we're going with a movement that is going to be a lot more reliable than a quartz movement typically might be. It is repairable, although a lot of watchmakers may just swap it out and with a new one and replace it just because you know, labor costs and whatnot. But it's a fully repairable movement. Can be lubricated and such like a mechanical movement can be. We use the quartz movements in lieu of a mechanical movement because a lot of our customers need the greater accuracy and also the reliability that you get from a quartz movement. The fact is, you have fewer moving parts, so fewer things to go wrong, and they hold up better to shock and whatnot. These watches are assembled in the United States of America. We assemble them in 2 locations here in Illinois. The watchmakers that do the work are CMW21 certified by AWCI. In fact, a couple of the guys are pretty well involved with AWCI, and they work with them in certifying other watchmakers, training other watchmakers, and one is even on the board with AWCI. Our watches have a 5-year limited warranty, and we offer free lifetime battery replacement. For those of you who do not know, 25% of the profit from each Minuteman product that we sell goes to charities that assist veterans and their families. Now, this particular watch, you'll probably be seeing more of this particular one, as we're getting ready to send it to Time to Blog Watch News and Reviews for a product review. And when we have that, we will post links to that posting when that blogger has that up on our various social media sites. So look for that. Here again, as you can see, screw down crown, which a lot of people don't realize that these have a screw down crown. It's important to keep that in mind, that it does have a screw down crown. Also, our case back, which we're very proud of the way our case back design came out. It's one of our better features, we think, and it's an area where a lot of people overlook. things on the watch. I think that they're not as so detail oriented, and they just throw on some pretty generic engraving on there. But to us, it's a pretty important thing. We're proud patriots here, and so we like to show our patriotism. And I think a lot of the people that buy our products are proud Americans, and also can appreciate this extra bit of effort on our part. In closing, thank you so much for following our efforts. Look for more updates from us on our YouTube channel, as well as our various social media sites on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on our blogs. Thank you, and God bless.